Feel like your muscles are disappearing overnight? They might be, but the fix is easier than you think. Here are 10 calming, doctor backed evening hacks to reverse muscle loss naturally, without the gym and without stress. These are habits you can do right before bed, in your living room, in your kitchen, or even in your slippers. No sweat, just smart signals to your body that say, we're still strong, we're still rebuilding. Let's jump right in. 1. Soak your feet in magnesium before bed. There's something deeply healing about warm water at the end of the day. But when you add magnesium, it becomes a science backed ritual for muscle recovery. Here's how: fill a basin with warm water, add 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Magnesium helps relax tight muscles, calm your nervous system, and ease you into deeper sleep, where most muscle repair happens. For seniors struggling with tension or nighttime leg cramps, this can be a total game changer. Bonus: the ritual itself tells your body, we're winding down, we're safe, let's rebuild. You don't need a fancy spa, just a bucket, warm water, and a moment for yourself. Try it tonight. Your muscles and your sleep will thank you. 2. Drink a protein shake after dinner. Muscle doesn't build itself, especially after 60. And while most people focus on morning protein, your evening meal might be just as important. That's because your body does the bulk of its repair work while you sleep. If your muscles don't have enough protein available, they can actually break down instead of building up. The fix? A simple shake with 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein, taken about an hour after dinner. You don't need anything fancy. Just a senior-friendly option, like Ensure Max Protein, or a scoop of plant-based powder blended with water or almond milk. It's easy on digestion, supports overnight repair, and helps reduce nighttime cravings. Think of it as your muscle recharge before bed. No gym required, just smart fuel at the right time. 3. Wear warm socks to bed. Cold feet may sound harmless, but for older adults, it can quietly sabotage recovery. Here's why. When your feet are cold, blood vessels constrict. That reduces circulation to your legs, which means fewer nutrients and less oxygen get delivered to your muscles during sleep. And since overnight repair is key to reversing muscle loss, that's a problem. Wearing a simple pair of warm socks can fix this instantly. It boosts blood flow, prevents cramps, and keeps your nervous system calm, helping you sleep deeper and heal faster. Many seniors also report fewer restless legs, warmer toes, and a more relaxed body overall. One viewer even wrote, "I tried this, and it stopped my foot cramps at night. Amazing." Martha J. So before bed tonight, grab your coziest socks. It's a small act of comfort with big benefits for your strength. 4. Stretch your hips while the kettle boils. Evenings are the perfect time to release built-up tension, especially in your hips, which carry your weight all day long. Tight hips aren't just uncomfortable. They can limit your balance, your posture, and your ability to walk with confidence. So here's a simple habit. While the kettle boils or dinner simmers, take 60 seconds to gently stretch your hips. Try placing one foot on a low step and slowly leaning forward, or do a seated figure 4 stretch while watching TV. Breathe deeply and move gently. This is an exercise. It's a signal to your body that it's safe to let go. Over time, you'll feel less stiffness, better alignment, and more freedom in daily movements. And best of all, you don't need a mat, routine, or timer. Just one quiet moment of release every evening. 5. Sip banana peel tea before bed. Sounds strange, but banana peel tea might be the best muscle recovery drink you're not using. Here's why it works. Banana peels are rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 essential minerals for muscle repair and cramp prevention. Just slice half a banana peel, boil it in water for 10 minutes, and sip the tea warm about an hour before bed. Add a dash of cinnamon for flavor and anti-inflammatory support. This calming ritual helps your muscles relax, supports deeper sleep, and reduces the chance of waking up with stiff legs or twitching calves. No pills, no powders, just a natural soothing tea made from something you were about to throw away. Try it tonight. You might just discover your new favorite bedtime drink. 6. Put your legs up against the wall. After a long day of standing, sitting, or just being on your feet, your legs need a break. and not just any break. One of the easiest and most effective ways to restore circulation is the legs up the wall pose. Here's how. Lie down on your back near a wall, lift your legs up, and rest your heels gently against the wall for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. This simple posture helps drain fluid from your lower legs, reduce swelling, and boost blood flow back towards your heart, making it easier for nutrients to reach your tired muscles. It also activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which tells your body it's time to rest and repair. No equipment, no effort, just gravity doing the work for you. Try it tonight and see how much lighter your legs feel tomorrow. 7. Do 10 light resistance pulls in bed. Before you turn off the light, give your muscles one final, gentle signal. We still use you. Keep a light resistance band next to your bed and do 10 slow arm pulls, seated or even lying down. No sweating, no straining, just light activation of your biceps, shoulders, or upper back. These micro movements help maintain neuromuscular connection, keep your muscles online, and gently stimulate blood flow right before rest. Even small tension can make a big difference, especially when done consistently. If you're new to bands, start with a soft yellow one and focus on control, not speed. Think of it as a bedtime message to your body. Let's keep what we've built. Affiliate link in the description, TheraBand Beginner Set, perfect for evening use. 8. Take tart cherry for better sleep and recovery. Sleep is your muscle's favorite time to recover, but only if it's deep and restful. Tart cherry is one of the most natural ways to support that. It contains melatonin to help you fall asleep faster and antioxidants to reduce inflammation while you rest. 1 or 2 tart cherry gummies about an hour before bed can help you sleep longer, wake up fewer times, and support better overnight recovery. It's especially helpful for older adults who experience aches, soreness, or wired but tired evenings. Bonus, tart cherry may also help reduce oxidative stress linked to aging muscles. Simple, natural, effective, and tasty. Sleep is your most powerful strength-building window. Support it wisely. 9. Do 2 minutes of gratitude breathwork. Your mindset matters, especially before sleep. Stress, overthinking, and negative thoughts can raise cortisol, the very hormone that breaks down muscle. But with just 2 minutes of intentional breathing, you can reverse that. Here's how. Sit comfortably. Think of 3 things you're grateful for, and breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat this 4 times. It's not just relaxing, it's biology. Gratitude and deep breath work activate your parasympathetic system and lower stress hormones. The result? Deeper sleep, lower inflammation, and a more positive internal environment for your muscles to grow. No journal needed, just a quiet moment of peace before you close your eyes. Try it tonight. Your brain and your body will notice the difference. 10. Turn your bedroom into a muscle recovery zone. Your bedroom isn't just for sleep, it's your overnight muscle repair lab. To support this, you need to optimize your environment. Start by lowering the temperature to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, using blackout curtains and removing screens or bright lights. Add a lavender diffuser, soft lighting, and if possible, keep your phone in another room. Why? Because during deep sleep, your body releases the most growth hormone, the key to rebuilding lost muscle. But that process is fragile. Even a small light or late night scroll can disrupt it. So treat your bedroom like a healing sanctuary. Calming, quiet, screen-free. Just 1 night of deep, uninterrupted sleep can do more for your strength than a whole week of workouts. Your muscles are listening. Give them the rest they deserve. Which evening hack are you going to try tonight? Let us know in the comments, or share your own nighttime routine. And remember, your body wants to get stronger. All it needs is the right signals. You'll find all my favorite products, from magnesium to protein shakes, right down below in the description. Share this video with someone you love, hit like, and subscribe if you haven't already. It truly helps me keep creating more content for you. And if you haven't seen it yet, check out my 7-day beginner plan to fix weak muscles after 60. I'm also working on something big behind the scenes. It's coming soon, so stay tuned. Got a guess? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think it might be.